Hello everyone, as you can see this is one of the previous year question of ssccgl which is repeated several times in different competitive examinations as well. So let's learn how to solve this particular question within few seconds in the exam. So here as you can see x plus y plus z is given to be 5 and here this thing is given to be 0. First and foremost, if we solve this, you just take one thing, you just take the LCM of this. So it will be x, y and z in denominator. So here we will get y into z plus here we will get x into z plus here we will get x into y. And this is given to be 0. So if we take this thing on the other side, then you can write this as xy plus yz plus zx. This is equal to this into 0. Anything into 0 is 0. So this is equal to 0. So from this you can conclude that this is given to be 0. Next we have xyz in multiplication as 12. This one is given to be 151 and you are asked to find out value of this. So you will remember one important formula that I have taught you several times and I have asked you to remember x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into x y z in multiplication. This is equal to x plus y plus z in multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus within the bracket xy plus yz plus zx. This is one of the important formula and this formula you need to remember because at least one sum you will get from this particular formula in your exam. So here if we put the value, this thing is given to be 151. So 151 minus 3 into xyz. Xyz is 12. So multiply by 12 equal to here this thing is given to be 5. So 5. Start the bracket here. This one you need to find out. So let it be m minus this thing. Just now we have concluded this is 0. So 0. Now if we solve, we are getting 151 minus 36 equal to 5m. Now from here if we calculate, then 5m will be equal to 151 minus 36. If you do, here we'll get 5, here 1 and 1. So from here m will be equal to 115 divided by 5, that is 23. So option number 1 is going to be your correct answer over here. Another one thing that you should remember, this particular sum here in CGL you are getting option as 23. In CHSL and in CHSL you may get this option to be 25. In that case what you need to do is, here as all the things are given, you need to use all the things, but there you can apply a trick and find out your answer, that is why this variance in answer, because here in CGL as all the options are given, why this variance in, you may ask why there will be a separate answer, or you may get confused why this answer will differ in this both. You may get confused why this answer will differ in both the examination. One more thing that you should remember is, here we are getting answer as 23 in SSC CGL, but in the previous examination in SSC CHSL you will find this option is given to be 25 instead of this 23. Why this change in answer? Why the different answer you are getting in case of CHSL is because this difference in answer is because of the formula. Why you may get confused why the. One more thing that you should remember, that is this answer instead of 23 in CHSL it was given 25. Why it is so? Why there is a different answer in this case? Because of the use of the formula that is being done. That is, if we just apply the formula x plus y plus z, the whole square, we all know this is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 multiplied by xy plus y plus zx. Here, if we apply this formula, this thing is given to be 5. So 5 square equal to this one you need to find out. So let it be m plus 2 multiplied by here. This part is 0 because here we have already concluded that this is 0. So we are getting m equals to 5 square, that is 25. So the thing that is concluded over here is, as we are not using this given thing and directly we are applying this one, so we are getting our answer as 25. But in case of CGL, as all the things whatever is given you are going to use in the exam, so you will get your answer as 23. So here you will not get confused and remember this thing easily. You can solve this question within few seconds in the exam. So with this we conclude this particular video. If you find the content of this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And to get notification of newly uploaded important contents of our channel, you need to click on the bell icon. See you in the next video with new important content. See you in the next video with new important content. Till then, keep practicing, keep improving.